If you're looking for a really easy way to actually clean cobwebs from up high places and even more, here is the Eversprout cleaner. This is so great, especially for someone who's short like me. Let me show you how it works. You can adjust it using these pieces here. It goes up and down so it can reach really, really high. And then check this out. I can get all these cobwebs with very little effort. This is a must-have, especially for keeping up on things like cobwebs. I really don't like when cobwebs build up. So having this has been really nice. I highly recommend this for cleaning. There's also other attachments that you can get, window cleaners and some other items. Look, I can just clean up the gutters really easily. So nice. Feels really good to get it clean like this. Normally this would just stay up there until somebody could get to it. Look, even way up there. And here's what it looks like when it's fully extended. And then this is what it looks like when it's to its shortest size. It also has these nice foamy grips right here, and then there's even a foamy grip on the bottom. Here's what the bristles look like. They're like fine actually, but they're sturdy, so that's nice. They definitely caught all those cobwebs without any effort, and I noticed it didn't scratch anything, so that's good. I hope this review was helpful in making this purchase decision. This was definitely a great purchase for our family. And then this comes off to allow for those other attachments to go on.